Parsons Ford Service here. Today's going to be the first in our series of service tutorials. Today we're going to go through how to replace windshield wipers. This is a 2015 Ford Escape. Now, I've got Chad, our certified service technician, here with us today. He's going to go through the process. We're going to put on Ford Motorcraft wipers. Big thing here is using Ford parts so that they fit correctly and you get maximum length of time for service. The first thing we're going to want to do is pull the wiper blade up off the windshield. And on this style of windshield wiper blade, you're looking for this little piece that we have to push away from the arm of the wiper in order to replace this wiper. It doesn't take long at all to do. Push it away. The wiper blade pops right off. And then we get our replacement.
And you put the tabs on the bottom.
Starting the reverse, we just simply reverse the process, because the last thing you do is snap the piece in the top.
And you're
Very
good.
simple. Not hard at all to do. And new set of wiper blades. Thanks for watching.